Okay guys, today we're going to do something where we're going to compare some fractions using something called the butterfly method, okay? This is my favorite way for us to compare fractions. Now, we should always remember our comparison signs. We have greater than, less than, and equal to. So if you remember, you have like 5 is greater than 1, and 3 is less than 7, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5, okay? Now, with fractions, we can compare them just like we do numbers. It's easy when we have fractions that have the same denominator. So if we have 2/5 and 4/5, we can simply look at the numerators and find the largest one. We know that if we have 4 out of 5 of something, that it's greater than having 2 out of 5 of something, okay? So 2/5 is less than 4/5, okay? It's the same way if we had 9/10 and 3/10. Having 9/10 is greater than having 3/10. So that works well when we have fractions that have the same denominator. But what happens when we have different denominators? We can't always get our fraction tiles out and compare the sizes. Just like right now, I don't have any, so I can't compare the sizes. So I'm going to show you what's called the butterfly method, okay? All right, so I'm going to start off with a fraction like 4/5, and let's do 7/10, okay? Now, to do the butterfly method, you're going to take and you're going to do something called cross multiply. So I'm going to take 5 times 7, okay? 5 times 7 equals 35, okay? Next, I'm going to take 4 times 10. 4 times 10 is 40. Now, I've created 2 new numbers. I have 35 and I have 40. Here's where the butterfly comes in. If you look at it and you use your imagination, you really have a butterfly here. Now, what I do is I look at these 2 numbers that I just created. The number that is the largest represents the largest fraction. Okay, so 4/5 is greater than 7/10. Let's try another one. If I have 2/5 and let's do 1/4. Okay, so I take 5 times 1, that gives me 5. And then I have 2 times 4, and that's 8. Oops. So I have 5 and 8. So this tells me that 2/5 is greater than 1/4. Now, if I have 2/4 and 3/6, this one's a little bit different. So I have 4 times 3, and that gives me 12. Then I have 2 times 6, which also gives me 12. So in this case, when I look at these 2 numbers, 12 and 12, these 2 fractions are equal. So 2/4 is equal to 3/6. So all you do is draw these butterflies and cross multiply. Now, I'm going to attach a worksheet that goes along with this, and what I want you to do is you can work it on your own page, but you can type in the comments number 1, and then you can just use your greater than, less than, or equal to sign to show me the answers. The same with number 2. Whatever is your answer would be correct, okay? Hope you guys are doing well, and I hope this is as easy for you as it is for me. Have a good day.